MSSU was busy today as students moved back to campus. Earlier in the summer, it was looking like the school year wouldn't see quite as many pandemic restrictions, but the Delta variant has changed that. KOAM's Mike Mahoney spoke to students and parents to find out how they feel about campus coronavirus safety.
There was no shortage of students and parents unpacking and saying their goodbyes for Move-In Day 2021 at MSSU. But with the Delta variant raging throughout the country and the four-state area, last year's campus pandemic restrictions were back as well. But the students who spoke to KOAM seemed to be taking it in stride.
I think we're doing the same safety measures we did last year to ensure that we don't have a big COVID spread, especially in the housing department. I think we're taking the right precautions. And of course, it helps that there's also vaccines, but also with the Delta variant, who knows? So going back to the mask idea, it's a good idea.
A big difference this school year is that COVID-19 vaccines are available, and many vaccinated students say that helps them focus on school instead of worrying about the pandemic.
Honestly, I feel it takes a little bit of a load off because granted there is a small chance I could still get it, but I feel a little bit more safer knowing that I'd have at least a fighting chance and a better chance of not getting it.
And it's not just students whose minds are at ease thanks to the vaccine. Parents who spoke to KOAM say the shot is making it a lot easier to say goodbye to their kids.
I don't have any concerns about it. Like I say, we've been vaccinated.
But it's not just the vaccinated who are feeling safe moving into campus. Churchill Williams V, who admits he hasn't been vaccinated but is thinking about it, says he feels protected on campus because of how seriously his fellow students are taking the pandemic.
People don't really just be so crowded up together, because they already know the pandemic is going on, so they're pretty aware to not be so close to others. So everybody's been doing a good job being safe and wearing their mask and, just playing everything cool.
In Joplin, Mike Mahoney, KOAM News.
Students moving onto campus today had one of four options. They could show proof of vaccination, proof of a negative test within the last 72 hours, proof of fully recovering from COVID-19 within the last 90 days, or they could get tested during check-in and then quarantine.